Hi guys, this is the predefined basic shape command. If you hover the cursor for a few seconds on the button, you can see the basic instruction of how to use the command. For example, to create a box, you need to draw a rectangular as a base and an input for its height. Just change the view style for a better visualization of the 3D object, or just change the color of the object. To create a cylinder, you need to specify its center point, its radius, and a point for its height. Similar to the cylinder, to create a cone, you need to know its center point, its radius, and a point for its height. For a sphere, its center point and its radius are required. To create a pyramid, choose its center point, its edge, and its height. To create a wedge, first specify its base, then specify its height. You need to remember that the inclined plane is always in the positive x-axis direction. Torus shape is like a donut shape. You need to know its center point, its radius, and the size of its tube. Now you have all the basic shapes. You can use free orbit function to rotate your 3D objects, or you can use the continuous orbit function.